Hey y'all, today we're gonna make a Philly cheesesteak meatloaf. Now let's get into it. Okay guys, so I have a pound of ground beef. Dump that right on in. I have a pound of ground turkey. Dump that in. Use 2 eggs. Now I'm gonna have this recipe in the description box below. I'm gonna use about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Teaspoon of onion powder. Teaspoon of black pepper. There's 1 packet of Lipton's, and this is the onion soup mix. We're gonna add in about a 1/4 cup of bell pepper, 1/2 of an onion chopped, 1/2 a cup of mushrooms, a spoon of Worcestershire sauce, use about a teaspoon of mustard, I use about a cup of plain breadcrumbs. Little smidget of ketchup. And get to mixing. Oh, it smells so good. I have my oven preheating to 350 because this is gonna go in the oven for 1 hour. Now I'll use about a cup of mozzarella cheese. I want to save some for the top. So that's good. And mix that all in. Okay, just like that. And the last ingredient we're gonna use is about 2, I'll say maybe 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. And this is whipped cream cheese. Mix that in. This is very easy. Throw everything in one bowl. And it comes out delicious. Okay, And you just need like a meatloaf pan. And we're gonna just pack this in. Shape it. Okay, just like that. Now I'm just gonna put some ketchup on top of it. And this is gonna start off 50 minutes in the oven. And then we're gonna take it out and top it with some more cheese. Okay, so it should look like that. All right, so see you in 50 minutes. Okay, so the remaining peppers, onions, and mushrooms, I'm gonna saute them in a little skillet. Okay, now after the 50 minutes, I'm going to just top the meatloaf off with the sauteed peppers, onions, and mushrooms. Now I'm gonna top it with the rest of the mozzarella cheese. And put this back in the oven for another 10 minutes. And let the cheese melt. I'll be back. And here it is. Okay, guys, and now for the taste test. It's so juicy and moist. Here, have a bite. This is delicious. This seasoning is perfect. Not too salty. It doesn't need any more seasoning. It is just perfect. It's so moist. I mean, you get a little bite of the onions, the mushrooms, and the peppers all in one bite. This is really good. Guys, leave me a comment below. What type of meatloaf do you normally make, or that you would like to see me make? Because I make a couple of different types of meatloaves. So, but this is one I haven't made in a while. And it just hit the spot. Very tasty. I will leave the recipe in the description box below. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And let me know what type of meatloaf do you normally make or you would like to see me make. Also, if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, thanks for watching.